Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to slice an image in circuit space on your iPhone. Slice helps you to cut a shape out of another or split image from custom design. Let's get started. Open the circuit design space app on your iPhone. Tap new project to open a blank canvas. Tap share or image at the bottom to add your first object. This will be the shape you want to slice from, like a circle or rectangle. Now add the shape you want or text you want to cut out the first shape. For example, a star to cut out the circle, text to remove from a rectangle, resize and position it exactly where you want to. The slice tool only works when two layers are selected. Tap one shape, then hold and select the second shape, or use the layer panel to select both layers at the same time. With both layers are selected, tap slice at the bottom menu. Circuit will cut both shapes out of the bottom shape. You will now see the three separated pieces: the main shape with the slice removed, the cutout piece, and the extra leftover piece. Delete the piece you don't need. Move, rotate or resize the slice piece as needed. You can also add more shapes or text to create your final design. Once your design is ready, tap Make It. Connect to your circuit by Bluetooth. Select your material node, the mat, and press Go to cut your sliced image. That's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.